Let's see how easy it is to manage your Shopify Metaobject entries with the Mixtable Shopify spreadsheet. We're going to create a new workbook and load our Metaobjects there. We can start with a blank workbook, but in this case, we'll take the easy route and use the Mixtable Metaobjects template. This template loads each Metaobject you have into a distinct worksheet. In this case, our store has one Metaobject definition. Mixtable also immediately loads your existing Metaobject entries into the worksheet. Now that we have the information loaded, let's add a new entry. We find an empty row. We copy the Metaobject type, and we fill out the rest of our cells. Once our information is ready, we click the Sync Worksheet Changes to Shopify button. Mixtable syncs the Metaobject almost immediately. Now, if we go to our Shopify admin, we can see that the new Metaobject has been created, with the exact values we entered. We can now modify these values by editing the relevant cells. And again, we click on Sync Worksheet Changes to Shopify. Mixtable has finished syncing our edits. And so if we go to our Shopify admin and refresh the page for this Metaobject, we can see that the new value we entered is there. If we now modify this value in Shopify and click Save, Mixtable will automatically sync these changes back into our worksheet. And we can see that the change from Shopify has been reflected in our worksheet. Finally, if we go and delete our Metaobject entry, the Metaobject entry will be automatically removed from our Mixtable spreadsheet. And now the row has been removed. And that is how easy it is to manage your Shopify Metaobject entries with the Mixtable Shopify spreadsheet.